Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start right away by laying out poster watercolor paper and 3 brushes. Grab around 6 and flat 12. Mix each color to about 1 water pigment to get an even, translucent wash. This helps layers blend later. Lightly sketch your composition. Use low tack tape to reserve crisp edges and highlights. Once ready, load the flat brush, apply a broad wash from top to bottom, and keep strokes consistent. This builds a smooth foundation that will accept glazing and details. Now you move into layering. Start wet on wet to block in soft background shapes, then switch to wet on dry when you need crisp edges and defined forms. Make 2 to 4 translucent glaze layers, letting each dry completely so colors remain clear and avoid muddiness. Use a dry brush to suggest texture where needed and lift small highlights with a damp brush or tissue. Once done, add controlled splatter for grain and atmosphere. This increases depth without losing the poster's bold readability. Finish by dialing in details with a small round brush and more concentrated pigment. Enhance contrast where the eye should land. Remove low-tack tape slowly to reveal crisp borders, and protect the piece with a matte spray if you want a poster finish. If a section looks too dark or muddy, lift pigment gently with a damp, clean brush while paper is slightly damp. Alternatively, rework highlights using a touch of opaque gouache. This fixes common issues and preserves your intended color balance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.